Hi everyone, this is Surbi from Digification. Let's learn how to shorten the URL. So we'll start with our feedback form itself. So we've created a feedback form. Here, if I want to share this with people, I go to link and this is my long URL, or maybe even if I short, I still see a decent shortened URL, but still I want to short it more. I want to send this URL to people on WhatsApp or on my text messaging, where I have, on text messaging, of course, you have limited characters. So I want to make it very short when I share it with people. So let's see how we can do this. I take this URL. Here we are going to use one app called Bitly. This is a URL shortener. You have various apps like these, but you can go to Bitly, create one account here. Once you create one account, it'll ask you to create new link. Now this is going to be my destination where somebody should go, which is the final link, which will be your long URL, right? Here, if you want to give any title, that's fine. And you can also customize a back half. First, we can just simply create this, and then when you want, you can also customize this. I just clicked on enter. Now let's see. So this has been shortened to bit.ly, and there's a 6-7 digit number here. So you can just take this and copy to people. So what I'm going to do is, let's copy this. Now here, when somebody would click on this link, maybe on their WhatsApp or message or wherever you send them, or maybe in emails, once you click it, again it's going to take to that long URL only. But this is just for sending purpose and you can say beautification of the link, right? Here I can also customize this back half. Let's create this again. I take this and I can just create a custom back half, let's say maybe feedback form. You won't get this custom back half if somebody has already taken that particular word. So try to make something which is pretty unique and you can get it. In case you click enter and you see that it's already been taken, then you just have to change it, right? So you can change maybe one link. So if you see, this has already been shortened. So now again, we'll have to take another URL. Let's take another URL. Maybe I can show you one example here. I go to Amazon, I go to some product. Let's go to any product. Now, if you see, this is a very long URL. In case I want to share it with people, it's like it's going to be 2-3 lines of URL. How about we short this up? Go to Bitly. I take this as my final destination, and I can take it as ANZ. And now here I just want to customize this back half. So now again, this here points to some auto-branded domain, so it cannot be copied and shared. So you can use some different URL, and you can also customize a back half. Maybe we can do this to the same one. Let's see this. Question send link. I'm just copying this link. I go to Bitly again. I take this URL. So you can always check which URLs can be customized and with the back half and even can be shortened. So here I'm taking as let's say FB form 231, whatever. You can even put a brand name, etc. Now I click enter. So this has been now shortened, and so I can of course add this as, let's say, bit.ly, so it'd be 123, whatever. You can use these things. Plus you can also create a QR code here, which you can do it directly on this particular link. And when you share it with people, now you just have to share this. Understand this thing, when somebody will click it, it will take you to that particular long URL only. But here we are sending it these kind of links so that people like this link, message, and just a quick shortened URL you can send it to. So just copy and send it. It also has a premium version where you can even customize it bit.ly. Let's say I want to write amz.amazon. Something, so I can even buy. So this is a premium, you can say freemium tool. A bit is free and more premium features you can find it here.